Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I have a super awesome and super easy DIY room decor idea to share with you guys. I know you're gonna love it. So I have been busy crafting for the past few days, and now I am gonna show you guys some of the projects that I have come up with. They are super pastel. They are so perfect for anyone with a pastel aesthetic. You guys are gonna love them. Here we go. Okay, so all of the projects that I'm going to share with you guys today were made with these 3 paper pads. The majority were actually made with these 2 paper pads alone. So if you just wanted to pick up the 2 of them, that would be fine. Even if you just wanted to get 1 of them, you could still make a ton of magical items. So these 2 are from the Sparkle Magic Wow collection. This one is the 5x8. And this one is the 8.5 by 11 inches. So basically 8 by 11, 9 by 11. And it is so super magical. It gives you some examples here. I won't do a full flip through because I've already done flip throughs of this book on my channel. I don't know, 3, 4 times, something like that. But anyway, I did also use the Stay Magical pad. Only for a couple of them though, but I am planning more. So yeah, these are the items that you will need if you would like to make them. They are so super easy. Basically, you guys, that's all I used, and now I will show you what I made. Okay, so basically, for anyone who doesn't know, I have been putting off a room tour for ages. Since December. I am perfectly happy with 99.9% of things in my room except for the walls. And I went online looking for prints. I went shopping for prints. Oh my goodness, you guys, pictures are so expensive. Even just posters with no frames, any that I liked. It was just crazy. So finally, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make my own. I got all this magical paper lying around my house, and I am constantly making things to give away. Why not make something for myself? This one right here is one of the first ones that I made. My husband put it in a frame just to share with you guys, and that is a scratch, not a hair, just in case you were wondering. But anyway, it looks so awesome. This is not the frame I'm going to be keeping it in, or I possibly may paint this frame. However, you guys can see it just looks so awesome. So I made this one as well. So this is kind of like a matching set. I did have to trim this one down to fit it in that frame, but I do have more papers, so I could make another. But just look how magical this is, you guys. Like, I could just imagine a bunch of them on a wall together. Now I'll show you the next one. I'm so sorry about this freaking light, guys. I really hope it's not as bad as it looks in the screen right now. But anyway, here is another one that I made, and I will explain to you how to make them in a second. I do have the papers beside me to show you guys exactly what to do. It is so easy. And for this one, just to give it a little extra something, I used my punch, my border punch, and I did punch out a border on a few of the sides. I think it is so pretty. I used dimensional foam, and that is basically like all you have to do, and then stick the papers together. If you don't have a punch, that doesn't matter. As you can see, I did not use a punch on this one. This is one of my favorites right here. I may end up using this as like constant background in my videos, but I absolutely love it. So as you can see on this one, I did add some embellishments, some bows, but that's barely anything, you know. Like, even if you don't have any embellishments at all, you can make this with just the foam squares and the paper. So for this one, I did use a piece of gold cardstock. The gold cardstock does not come with those books. However, all of this pastel paper that matches the collection, it does come in those books. So it's got you covered. Yeah, these are just so cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. So here is another one that I made. This was one of the first ones that I made. Not the first, but one of the first. I love it so much. Okay, I am like dying over this one. I really want to frame it. I cannot wait to get these on my wall. A couple bigger ones as well. Here they are, and these ones are a little bit brighter, but they are still like super cute, and I just absolutely love them. So this one here, all I did was add a very thick piece of Heidi Swapp washi tape around the middle. Like, if you wanted, guys, you could like stripe the whole thing with glitter washi tape. You know, you could put cutouts, stickers, all around, flowers. Like, I'm not totally sure that I'm done embellishing these 2, but you know, even just like this, they are gorgeous. I love them so much. And I think, is there 1 or 2 more? Hang on, let me check. So I told you guys I was going to show you how to make these, and they are so super easy and super simple. I can't even say it enough. So make sure you guys do this. Don't procrastinate. Get it done. You will feel so good when you do. So basically all you need is 3 sheets of paper. You can also even make it with just 2 sheets of paper. All you got to make sure is that they are 3 different sizes. So basically you need a large sheet, a medium sheet, and a smaller sheet. Then all you do is turn them over. On each sheet, you stick some dimensional foam squares. If you don't have dimensional foam squares, don't worry about it. You can get them at Dollar Tree, or if you want, you can just use double-sided tape and stick it on. It doesn't have to stick up. It's up to you. So anyway, yeah, you just turn them over, you put on the adhesive squares, and you push it down, and you're done. That's it. You got yourself a beautiful, awesome, trendy, pastel, unicorn, DIY, wall, art, whatever. That was hard. Okay, so if that wasn't crazy enough, I'm going to show you how to quickly make another one, even though I'm sure it's pretty obvious to you guys. But, you know, just play around. Here is another beautiful paper, which I'm going to be using to make one. This is one of my favorite papers from the collection. And, you know, you just cut up the pieces. The books come with all of these papers, you guys. You know, you could even just stick this one on just like that. That would be beautiful. You could put another larger cardstock, you know, behind it to stick out the edges. That would be gorgeous. You know, you just fool around, you know, just whatever basically looks good to you, feels good to you. Yeah, just play around, set it up. You can also enhance your projects by adding embellishments. For example, I've got these gorgeous stars over here, the puffy appliques. You can use the bows like I did over here. You got your pom-poms, pastel pom-poms. They would look bomb on these projects. Of course, you've got your sticky gems. You guys know what I mean, the sticky bling. And then, of course, paper flowers is another embellishment that I think would look awesome on these and may even end up adding to this project right here. Okay, so that's about it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this pastel DIY unicorn theme room decor. I'm really not kidding you guys. This is such an easy project. I finished some of these in less than 5 minutes. So yeah, get to your craft store and get crafting. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Miss Eddie Blue.